gyro. What does it called? Greek gyro from Arby's. So, ayan, cheat day. It's my
gyro, huh?
It's my cheat day.
Congratulations.
Hindi lang yun, guys. So, I also got KFC.
Good for you.
You want chicken?
No, I have
KFC got here biscuit. Got here mashed potato and my favorite coleslaw.
Coleslaw. Yum, yum, yum.
Guys, siyempre yung wings natin, guys. Iwan ko kung ano mamaya. You want the mashed potato?
Yeah, look at the smallest piece of fish they can give
Yeah,
me.
because it's already free also. You want the mash?
You're fine. You're fine.
Good. Sarap, guys. First time ko ito makatikim, right? Is it my first time? I mean,
That one, yeah. Yeah, you never had the whole sandwich, never?
Yeah, but I tasted before, like 2 days ago or 3 days ago.
Yeah, you only had a piece of
Yeah,
meat.
please, because I'm
you
really
didn't
curious
you didn't have it
because
all. Yeah.
I saw him enjoying the meal, that's why.
There, you can have that
And
one.
now I decided to have my cheat day, cheat meal day.
Congratulations. You deserve it. As much as you've been sticking to it and you've lost so much weight, you deserve it, folks.
Ito lagi namin in-order sa KFC, guys, coleslaw. Dati ayoko siya, pero masarap pala. Ay, yung biscuit nila dati ayoko, pero nagustuhan ko siya. I really like it. Ayun, guys, andyan pa yung mga pinamili namin. And, nasawa ko, fish fillet and french fries. Tapos pareho kami yung ito. Pero more meat sa kanya. Sarap. I like the bread, asawa. Pita bread.
Pita bread?
Yeah.
Yep.
Sarap. I thought she said, you're gonna pay $10 or $12.
Who's going to pay you 10 for that?
Arby's.
Yeah, I thought it was over $10.
Yeah, I heard that too. It's like,
I couldn't understand what you was talking about. He was like, huh? What? I'm trying to figure out in my head. Where did you get
Correct.
that kind of adding figures? I know your little squirrel's going to be happy to see this stuff, huh?
yeah. That's also for me.
Well, you got the cheese crackers. I just told you can take them. They sure did like that. They were tearing them up out there.
Yeah, because it's the first time again. And guys,
Something new. Yep. Good going.
sarap. I like this. My God.
I'll get with Wes. We'll see if we can find out about a original store. We'll take it over. You can have the real.
Sarap.
Oh yeah. It'll taste even better than that. I guarantee you. Go to original Greek store. Oh man. That would be fantastic.
Ah, biscuit. Masarap siya, guys. Before I do like this, pero, right? Before I do like this, even their mashed potatoes and, especially the coleslaw, I don't know.
It rubbed off on you.
Yeah. Especially yung mashed potato, guys, ba hindi kumakain sa Pinas yun. But when I got here, no choice is because we always eat potatoes.
I can't help that. I was raised that way. Like you were raised rice all the time. I was raised potatoes.
No.
Potatoes with every meal.
Yeah, I agree. But, just like us, rice is life. Him, potatoes is life. Sarap. Sorry for the last. Wait.
But it's so small.
Yummy.
Good.
But then, no. No, this one, zero, right?
Zero.
It's like, no, maybe I changed my mind. Then I got KFC again. But it's alright. I'll be back on track again after Thanksgiving. What, asawa?
No. Go ahead. Thank you anyway.
You're not a fan of their biscuit?
It's okay. Well, I like a lot of butter on them.
Oh.
And you heat them up. They had those big biscuits. Cause remember we got the box and we tried to make them ourselves.
Oh, yeah. But,
They didn't quite turn out.
yeah.
We tried. It wasn't the same.
Yeah, because Manib makita, guys.
It's all right. We did give it a try though.
Wings. Actually, bumili ako ng wings, guys. Parang 1 kilo. 2 pounds. Is it 1 kilo? If you're gonna convert it.
I think so.
Yeah. Bumili ako, guys, sa Costco. As in, ako lang kumakain because he doesn't want wings because wala daw karne.
No meat.
It doesn't have meat. But I like it.
Breast.
Yeah. Yummy. Yeah. Very fun. They're making their own pita too, right?
I don't think they make it there. I think they get it brought in. I think so. I'm not positive on that. I don't know. They didn't have zero sandwiches when I worked for Arby's.
Mm-hmm. How much you paid in KFC? 15? $16.
22.
Oh, yeah. And then, so, like, 20.
Yes, it's over $8 county tax.
Oh, the fish fillet.
Mm-hmm.
Even this one, right?
Yep.
The combo, yeah.
Your combo.
Mm-hmm. But you think but it's more practical if it's combo than the
Most of the
chicken.
time. Because if you get each item separate, it'll end up costing you a lot more.
Pero this one, guys, this one worth $5 before taxes?
Yeah.
$5.95 or $5.85?
No, $5.49 or something. Yeah.
Like $6.
Almost $6, yeah.
Then like 300 pesos, almost 300 pesos. Oh my God, that's old. Mahal, guys.
Fries?
Why you doesn't?
No, I don't want them.
Fries. My God.
No, I see the belly already popping out again.
Yeah, because I'm not used to eating a lot, especially. But it's alright. This will be my whole meal.
I'll probably only eat half of this.
Yeah. Then you can have your leftover.
Yep.
Okay. But it still tastes good, even it's.
Nah, not as good. Not as good. Yeah.
Okay, camera. And guys,
Wow.
more meat, kaya yan, madami yung sa kanya. But I choose not to add more meat because I have chicken.
Mmm. Nothing bad about the tomato. They gave me that big knot in the middle. I can't eat that. I can't
Just
chew
eat what you
that.
can eat.
That's the only thing bad about it. I can't eat that knot in the middle of the tomato.
Yeah.
All right.
Ah.
I'll walk around it.
Asawa,
Yep.
go, have a big bite.
You give me a minute here. You missed it. Give me just a minute here. Let me get this bite down.
Sarap. Masuk ito. Sarap. Yummy.
Only a little.
Got it.
You'll pick it all up.
Goat, right? Goat?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually,
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot.
yeah. Yeah, I'm glad you like in the Philippines, but I don't usually like eat a lot of goat meat. I don't like
Me
the
neither.
smell.
That's the only thing I ever had.
I don't like the smell. But, mommy, dad, wow.
It's the only thing I ever had. It was like this.
Mm.
It was cooked when it was cooked this way. They have hanging up. They cut. They trim the meat off with real thin pieces.
Busog na ako, guys. I'm full. Hindi ko pa tapos. Dati talaga naubos ko yung dalawang chicken, right? I usually eat in, guys. Pero ngayon parang ang dali kong mabusog.
Boom, boom, boom.
As much as possible talaga, guys. Gusto ko, ayoko magtira para iwas temptation. You're trying to mimic what I'm watching on YouTube.
No. I'll make my own sound effects. I'll make my own.
Oh!
I'll make my own sound effects.
This one, no,
See? I'll make my own.
Ito, guys, we bought a big one
Yeah,
for
that's the first
tomorrow.
time you showed that.
No, for tomorrow.
Oh, for
for
tomorrow?
tomorrow. Kasi baka sarado sila. So, kumuha na kami ngayon for Thanksgiving.
Mention about that. I having the dinner. You're going to cook a dinner. You show pictures of the dinner.
Videographer. You're gonna cooking then, like this. Trying to video.
Oh, me?
You're my actor.
Actor? No, I'm your cameraman. I'll be your cameraman.
No, you be like this.
Shit, no, I'll hold still.
Shaky.
I'll hold still. I'll hold still like this.
And soon, guys, we're going to do the food tasting
Oh, gosh.
Filipino food.
No.
Balot, right?
No. I'm not having no butt loop.
Sardines.
Nope.
Yan.
That's fish bait. That's food to catch fish. Catch a real fish. You take
No,
that,
it's yummy.
you put it on the hook, you throw that out there in the water, and you catch a big fish. The bit got all the meat.
My first pack. It's not a cheat meal, guys. It's a mukbang na, guys. Mukbang na because I got a lot. Okay.
Yeah, there are 2 bowls done.
It's done now.
Yep, both of them done.
Yeah, even his. Oh, it's enough.
Okay, Mama, I'm too fat now.
He's also losing weight po.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm about 2 months pregnant, Mama.
I took 9 months.
9? Oh, whoa, I'm in big trouble. Where's that baby gonna come out at?
And you're...
You're on YouTube. You'll get bleepered out, bloopered out.
Oh, I'm really full.
Good. You really fool them all. You'll be like a grizzly bear. Want to go in a cave and hibernate and go to sleep. Leave me alone.
Okay. May tira pa akong isang chicken, but I thought I'm gonna eat it all. Maybe because I eat also the biscuit, made me full.
Put it in the microwave, leave it in the microwave.
Yeah.
I'll have that for later.
You have?
Yeah, the meat.
Okay. Yeah, because I told him because I eat this one, I might not eat a lot later, just the vegetable salad and the bone of it.
me
That's
too.
all. What you too? You're not gonna eat a lot later?
No.
Oh yeah, because he eats a lot too. But I'm gonna give him the...
Well, I'm trying to get rid of the bread here. I can't. The bread's gonna make me too full and I'll get sick.
Yeah. We're
I
done.
love the meat. Wow, God, I love that meat.
This one,